Ainscough is a crane hire business. We've got 30 depots that cover the length and breadth of the UK. We have 400 cranes now in our fleet, ranging from 10 tonnes up to 1,000 tonnes. Since we've introduced Microsoft Dynamics 365 incorporating DynaRent, we can link our sales team and our maintenance team and our rental team and finance all in one place and have that visibility. Is brilliant for us. We've got the ability to see where everything is real time, plan more efficiently and to move our resources around more efficiently, which has a benefit to the customer. We can see what cranes are in what area as opposed to just a depot location. We can also see the stage that it's at, whether it's in progress, whether they're completed and on the way back to the depots. We can drill that down by customer, by depot, by area. We can see if they're actually working at capacity, as well as maximising our labour in the most efficient way. You can then see the time it's taken versus the margin and the profitability on the job, so we can see which jobs are profitable, which crane sizes are profitable, and monitor our pricing.
This is a game changer for us from a business perspective. Having a far clearer indication of the potential work that is coming, when it's coming, and the type of work that's coming is a massive plus point. From a sales team's perspective, the fact that they can be out in the field using it on a tablet, on a telephone, or at home on their laptop, it doesn't matter whether it is a basic crane hire or it's an incredibly complex job that requires multiple cranes over a 3-month period, lifting multiple items. The system can cope with all of that. We can now see all interactions with the customer, no matter who in the business has touched that customer, that interaction is now visible to us. And I think because we're a business that works across 30 depots, 140-ish customer-facing staff, understanding and having visibility of those interactions with the customer is absolutely key. It can assist in how we price more dynamically. So if we know that we've got gaps in our utilisation for certain sizes of cranes, we can look at the pipeline data and ultimately then focus in on ensuring that we're converting more of those opportunities into sales. And it's that granular level of detail driving that increase in sales. It's data driving decisions which is leading to more sales and increased margins.
What we have now is the ability to see all of the maintenance in one place, and it tells us the best way of getting all of that work done as quickly as possible. Therefore, we have more cranes available for customers to use. Data is being streamed directly from the crane around braking, around telematics, and the next step is to have live streaming data on screen within Dynamics 365, so if we need to react to it, the reaction time is so much quicker.
Having Columbus as a partner has given us real confidence. The fact that they've got the operational knowledge as well as the Microsoft knowledge is invaluable to us to get our projects done on time and in budget.
The effectiveness and the efficiency of what we're doing day to day has gone up considerably. It's unrecognisable today from what it was previously.